Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video, we are going to see how to connect Schlage Lock to Apple Home, HomeKit pairing and troubleshooting guide. Connecting your Apple HomeKit compatible Schlage Smart Lock like the Schlage Encode Plus or Schlage Sense to Apple Home lets you control it remotely. Share guest access and use your Apple Wallet's tap to unlock Home key. Setup takes just a few minutes using the Apple Home app. Method 1. Using the Apple Home app recommended. Step 1. Wake up the lock. First, put your lock in pairing mode. For most stage models, press the hardware pairing/program button located on the inside of the door, usually under the battery cover. The LED will flash blue this time. Step 2. Open the app. Then launch the Apple Home app on your iPhone or iPad. Step 3. Add the accessories. Then tap the plus icon in the top right corner and select Add Accessories. Step 4. Scan the code. Now scan the HomeKit setup QR code or 8-digit PIN code found on the lock's label, the back of your Quick Start guide, or the inside of the interior cover. Step 5. Complete the setup. Now follow the on-screen prompts to assign the lock to a room, name it, and set up your digital Apple Home key in your Apple Wallet. Method 2. Using the Schlage Home app. First, ensure your lock is powered on and connected to your Wi-Fi network. Then open the Schlage Home app and tap the menu icon, which is the three lines present in the top left corner. Now go to Works with, then tap on Apple HomeKit and tap Get Started. Then select your lock and follow the prompts. Now the app will redirect you to the Apple Home app to finish pairing via NFC. Thanks for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share and subscribe to our channel.